So this is gonna be our new place, I think. Got huge closet spaces. And this is the bathroom. Kind of old, but it's not the most exciting part. I really like the separation of this area because you go back and you have a huge kitchen and then actually a really big bathroom area with a tub, a shower, and it's a separate room. It's really nice. And it has these rooms and they both have ceiling fans. And this is gonna be a tatami room, but there's no tatami in it right now. So you could see how big this place is. So I think that's the place that we're gonna end up getting. It's a 3LDK, pretty big, and even the real estate agent, and this confirms based off what I've been seeing online, it's pretty hard to find a 3LDK that allows dogs, especially in that price range. It's kind of difficult in general, but this is a really good deal. So I saw it for the first time today, and Kit, she wasn't sure about it, and in turn it was like making me unsure about it. So after seeing it, because I think my expectations were kind of low, it was a lot better than I thought it'd be. It's really nice to have that different room and room separation and stuff. If you kind of saw it, like there's a bedroom and the bathroom is like right in the front. Then there's a giant living room and the other two bedrooms are in the back. So if anyone comes and visits or stays, or even for us just like sleeping or something, if we want to separate and have our own privacy, like we're not just in a room that's right next to the room the other one's in, you know, we have some separation. So I'm excited. We're gonna get this, not application process, just the contracts and stuff. Cause I guess technically we're already like approved. I mean, nothing's in writing yet, but it should be good. So we'll see. You know, I feel a lot better today too. My last vlog was my birthday, and I gotta be honest, it was just one of those days where I was just super exhausted and I still needed to get a video out, so I just filmed whatever because I'm trying to stay consistent every other day with a video. I'm not trying, I'm succeeding actually ever since I started. And today was a much better day, I think mainly because I rolled out of bed at like 1 a.m. or not AM, sorry, PM, 1 p.m. And you know, I was gonna get up earlier and start working and stuff, but I laid there and I thought, you know, this is exactly what I need, sleep. And so that's what I did, and I gotta tell you, I felt a whole lot better getting up and just resting for a while. And today's one of our only days off, but we made the most of it. I went to go see the place for the first time, and I think we're going for it. It's very exciting. We got a place today. Kit's mom also bought the family sushi, but it was kind of for my birthday, so that was really nice too, and I had a really good time today. That being said, I know it was a short vlog, but a lot happened today, and now it's actually not even that late. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, but it's really dark outside. It's like 6:50, and I'm digging this lighting. I'm just standing underneath a light here just to light up my face here. That's been it today, guys. We officially got a place. Well, we're officially giving the okay for this place, and we decided. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.